In this video, we will consider such components as bases with the ability to supply power to the system, but without the ability to accommodate a power supply inside. Thus, when utilizing these components, it will be imperative to pre-plan the placement of the power supply unit in the ceiling area or in the electrical control panel. Compared to the large base on which the block is placed, they are distinguished by compactness. Our first base is the TR5512 BK article, mounted overhead, allowing belt release. It provides stability and support, essential for proper functioning of the release mechanism. The base is designed to ensure the system's functionality, making it a crucial component. Within this base, we can observe a connector that has the capability to be disassembled, and a belt that has the ability to be connected to it, thereby supplying power to the belt, respectively. Included is a special component that mechanically holds the belt in place, ensuring it does not pop out of this specific component and providing added stability. Note that visually this component is very similar to another component with the article number 5515, which is used for belt bending, but it does not have the ability to supply power in principle. That is, it only fastens and secures the belt. It's crucial not to confuse. The next part is our built-in base. In general, it is similar in terms of action on a solid foundation, but it differs from it only in that it is embedded in suspended ceilings according to the principle of a spotlight. Inside, it is arranged in the exact same manner. That is, there is a terminal connected to the belt in the same way as before. The screws are unscrewed, put on the belt, and the screws are tightened. And there is also such a detail in the special set, which is intended for fixing the belt. The third element is a power connector that is situated on a wire which has the characteristic of being flexible in nature. At the other end, there is also a miniature, built in on the principle of a point light fixture, base. The length of this wire is 20 meters and it can be shortened. The wire can be pulled and shortened as needed to adjust its length. In the video on overhead bases with power unit placement, I discussed considering the component itself that is placed on the belt, and this specific component is completely identical and essentially replicates and duplicates the design of all other power supply units. Here are two screws which, when unscrewed, allow us to open the submarine itself. Inside, we can see these needle-like objects, similar to the ones we observed on the lamp. Consequently, when connecting the belt, it is crucial to properly attach it here and apply sufficient pressure. This will ensure that the needles penetrate inside the belt. Once this is done, we need to return the cover back to its original position and proceed to tighten all the screws that have been installed.